Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are at Dairy Queen and we're going to review the new caramel apple pie blizzard. And then I think there's a new one. There's a mocha something or other. We're going to try that too and review that because we haven't reviewed them yet. Let me see. I'm just about to pull up here. It's the Oreo Mocha Fudge. Yeah, what's the smallest blizzard? Is it the mini?
Yes.
Okay, can I get a mini caramel apple pie blizzard and then a mini Oreo Mocha Fudge blizzard?
What else?
That'll be it.
727, not the one I think.
Thank you. Yeah, it's the new Oreo Mocha Fudge is new, and then the caramel apple pie. They had apple pie blizzard before, but not caramel apple pie. 7 something, I think.
Hi there, 727.
727. I think I have change here. 27. 7. Thank you. Then they have. Oh, thank you. All right, thanks. So those two are new, and then they have returning the pumpkin pie blizzard, and then there's a cookie dough one, and then I think strawberries and chocolate, and then there's one more other one, but I can't remember what it is. I forget. But we're gonna try to review those if we can. But today we're gonna do the two new ones that just came out.
It's $3.29 a piece.
Yeah, $3.29. Came to $6.58 for both of them, $7.27 with tax for the minis.
Caramel pie.
Thank you.
One Oreo Mocha Fudge.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Oh. So we're gonna pull over here where we normally do reviews, which is across the street here. So once we get parked over there, we'll do the review.
Is that a Wonder Woman cup? It sure is. On my mama's birthday. Wonder Woman.
Cool. I can't go out that way, can I?
Yes, you can.
Can I?
Yep,
Well,
I go out that way all the time. You're gonna hit the curb. Oh,
I got it. We're just.
you scare me.
Who's the driver here? Who's the driver?
Sure ain't me, obviously.
All right. So here is the caramel apple blizzard. You can see right there. It's just, you can see the whipped cream and the ice cream. Can't really see much in there, but I think it has apple pieces and then like caramel truffles or something. And that was the Oreo Mocha. Wasn't it called the Oreo Mocha Fudge?
Mm-hmm.
So it's supposed to have some coffee in there with Oreos and coffee and then chocolate, I think. So what you want to try first?
Let's do that one
Caramel
first.
apple. Okay. I don't think I had the regular apple pie blizzard that's been out before. I think we were going to try it one time. We just
never got to do it.
always loved the pumpkin pie blizzard, so we always just got that, and we didn't want to get anything different. So I definitely taste the apple. It's really good. I think there's a crust piece right there.
Not too bad. Yeah. There's apple chunks in there, which is kind of cool.
Get right there with that crunch and that
I'll
crust.
get right there where that crunch is with the.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. It's pretty darn good.
That crust in there, the crunches, it's really good. That's always, it makes it really good when you got that crust in there.
That's really good, actually.
There's supposed to be caramel truffles. I don't know. Is that a caramel truffle or crust? I can't see. It's all coated in the ice cream.
It's pretty darn good.
Well,
there's
that's
some
just
caramel.
a crust piece.
That's caramel over there.
That is? It looks like an apple.
Maybe it is apple.
It's an apple.
Maybe they forgot the caramel. I don't know.
I'm tasting mostly apple.
I mean,
And the crust pieces, I don't get much caramel.
I'm gonna go with a 4 on that one, maybe 3.5.
Do you want to try and see if
It
there's more
wasn't the
caramel?
best.
I think it's really good. But there's no caramel.
It's good, but maybe they should have drizzled caramel in there or something. I don't know.
Maybe, but like I said, I thought I'd heard there was caramel truffles, but I don't know. It's a little chunk of a caramel truffle, but I'm not even tasting much caramel.
I didn't taste no caramel, yeah.
We always get chipped our caramel when we did the Oreo McFlurry. Or the,
caramel's my favorite. Like, that's the key to my heart right there,
Right.
is caramel.
Brad loves caramel. When we did the Chips
Love
Ahoy
it.
McFlurry, they didn't put caramel in there. Supposed to be caramel in there. And now this supposedly had caramel, but I'm not tasting much caramel. But it's really good. What did you
The
give
apple's really good. 3.5, 4.
it? I give it a 4 out of 5 because it's really good. Not my favorite, but it's really, really good. It's not as good as the pumpkin pie, but it's still good to me.
Now let's try this one.
Oreo Mocha Fudge. Let me set this up here.
You can definitely taste the Oreo and the mocha.
I can smell the coffee.
Yeah. It's really good. I really like this one. I didn't get any chocolate chunks, but you can see the chocolate chunks in there.
Hey, right
I'm
now.
trying to do a review here.
Trying to do a review. Can't do a review with all that racket.
People acting stupid on their bikes.
Yeah, this is good. Yep.
Okay, you ate half of that one. Don't be eating half of this one.
It's like, if you ever had a coffee flavored ice cream, that's what it tastes like. It's definitely got that mocha coffee flavor. And just a little bit of Oreo. I didn't get a strong Oreo flavor in there. Are they really crunched up?
Yeah, I can really taste the chocolate now. Because I got some chocolate pieces with the mocha.
Did you get the Oreo?
I taste the
in there?
Oreo. Yeah.
I didn't. Let me see. Are they crunched up really big?
I think they're just...
I think they're mixed up. I think
It's really small, but my first bite I had some big chunks of Oreo.
Did you? Yeah. I got the big chunks of chocolate in there, and then the coffee flavor. But then it's not a super strong coffee flavor either. But it's definitely there. So it's not like too much of coffee. It's just a nice.
It's a perfect blend.
Just a little hint of the coffee, but it's definitely present, but not overpowering. I give that
This
one a
one?
4 out of 5 as well. It's good.
I'm gonna go with a 4 too, because it's pretty darn good, and I'd get it again.
Which one did you like better out of these two?
Caffeine's kicking in.
I don't even know if that has actual coffee or not.
I probably want to go with this one.
I want to go with the apple pie. I could eat more of this than that one. I would only want that one ever so often maybe, but this one I could get more frequently.
But I like coffee, so.
I love apple pie. I like coffee too, but I love apple pie. So this is really good to me. We're getting all kinds of interruptions here. Maybe we should have rolled up the windows. Sorry.
Easy, people.
It's a nice day out, so we had our windows down. So yeah, check them out. The new caramel apple pie blizzard. Hopefully you get more caramel than we did, but I still liked it. And then the
Oreo Mocha
Fudge blizzard.
Yes, it's really good. I love it.
All right, thanks for watching. Please comment, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you on our next video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
I'm here.
Over it.